Hi, I'm Sammy McCubbins, and I'm Director of Pastoral Care here at Harbor Covenant Church. There may be some things that you're not aware of that we do here at Harbor Covenant to support and care for our church family. And I'd like to take this time and tell you a little bit about some of these wonderful ministries that are taking place here for you and others. When people are experiencing a difficult time and dealing with a loss in their life, it's always wonderful to have someone that can come alongside and support you and encourage you. We have a grief and loss support team that we would love to offer to you at the time of need.
Hello, I'm Barbara Plank, and I am involved with two ministries here at Harbor Covenant. The first one I've been facilitating for several years, and that's our grief and loss support group. It's really important to be able to talk about what we go through when we are grieving a loss of any kind. And so we come together and share of our lives, and it's been inspiring and hopeful. We don't give advice unless it's asked for, and we just merely listen to each other, which would be probably the most important gift we can give, is to be a listener.
Another thing that we have here at Harbor Covenant that you might not know about is the medical products that are given to us by those who have used maybe walkers or wheelchairs, and we take them and we tune them up and we make them really available for you to use at a time when you or even a loved one may need crutches or wheelchairs or other materials like that.
To go to a church that has a ministry like this, as we grow older, we seem to need a little more help than we do when we're younger, and the church has been that way. Everybody has just been so helpful, and our small group is wonderful people. I guess we're the oldest ones in the group, and maybe they think we're grandparents, I don't know. But I just want to thank the church for all they've done for us.
For those that are in need of visiting, maybe they're in the hospital or they're unable to attend church for some time. And there's a team of people that will go to the hospitals, that will go into their homes and will visit with them. And we even have a wonderful ministry that's our Eucharistic ministry, where we are able to share communion with them if they have not attended recently and had communion, which is a wonderful time to be together. We also find that there are needs that happen for transportation. Driving to and from the doctor's office sometimes is not something that our people can do very well because of their illness or just that they're not driving now. And so we have a team of drivers that are ready to take you to visit doctors or special shopping events that you have to do. So,
you know, I'm 90 years old, and I've never missed church as if I possibly could get there, even if I had to crawl. But I've finally given up, so I wait for somebody from the church to generously offer me a ride. And they've been so nice about it. Between Bruce and Sammy and Ardell and Claire, I've never had to worry about it. And it's so nice to still feel I belong to the church.
Hi, I'm Sylvia. I'm a part of the health ministry because a couple years ago I started a Women's Alcoholics Anonymous meeting that's held on Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock up in the community room. This is an incredible opportunity for women who are newly sober or who have many years of sobriety to get together and just share their experience, strength, and hope, and create a real solid support group for one another. We have people going through all kinds of things in their lives, whether it's them or their children or their parents, and we are able to just come together on Tuesday evenings and for 1 hour share what our experience, strength, and hope is around that and keep from drinking.
I'm Sally Cross, and I work with Sammy and Dion Warwick in the Meals Ministry team, which is basically coordinating meals for those people in our congregation that are in need of a meal due to sickness, surgery, or the loss of a loved one. It's kind of like Meals on Wheels, but much better because you get a home-cooked meal and you get a visitation from one of our congregational members. I love this ministry because I know that I'm helping to make someone's life a little easier when they're struggling. And I also get to meet members of our congregation that I probably wouldn't normally get to meet otherwise. And there's nothing nicer than if you've been sick for someone to come and recognize that you have been sick and to ask, how are you feeling today?
So these are the many caring ministries that we have here at Harbor Covenant Church. And I want to invite you to please give us a call if there's anything that we can do to help you or your family during their time of need. And also, if you are interested in being a part of the ministry teams that we've mentioned, we would love to have you help us. So call us, give us a call anytime that you need us or that you would like to be a part of our team. We would love to be with you.